Here's the latest Chevrolet to come in at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1973 Chevrolet Nova, four-door sedan. Now, this particular car has had a repaint, but it is in the original color this would have came. Number 60 is the paint code, which would be light copper metallic. Also, what appears to be original seats in this, but definitely the original color interior also, which is a green cloth bench standard interior. Underneath the hood, 307 Chevrolet V8, which according to the VIN, being an F, would be the original size engine this would have came with also. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you'll be able to check out that VIN number, the engine bay, interior, the undersides. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. The 307 underneath the hood is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Go ahead and take a look at the front of this car as far as the bumper chrome and everything. Appears to be original, as well as the grille, headlight bezels, all of that also. I would say paint is in nice shape. Again, you can see every angle of this car in the still pictures. The one thing I will tell you is the interior. The shadows were tough to work with on the pictures of this car. It is in nice shape. There's one little stain right here, but as far as it kind of looks like it's stained in the pictures because of the shadows. It is not. It is the correct color and even across. You can see the dash. Dash is also in nice shape. No cracks, no sun fade, anything like that. As far as equipment on this car, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A few things that will go with this: there were some extra floor mats. There's also a car cover. Edelbrock carb will go with this. And there's like a radiator kind of chrome dress-up cover. Then I'll show you where that would go when I pop the hood. Check out the rear bumper chrome. Appears to be original on that also. Again, still pictures. You can see the underside, interior, every angle on this car. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on Krieger SS's. Cooper tires. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat here to show you that. Again, the fabric and everything on the seats look era correct. Door panels also look original. You can see underneath the doors in the pictures too. Very solid. Doors closed nicely. Now, a couple things I wanted to note. When we ran this through the back with our technicians, we have this on consignment. It has a little bit of a rough idle. When it's warmed up, seems to come out of it a little bit. The consignor wanted to sell it how it is. It's something that we could fix for the prior, or for the new owner, but consignor wanted us to note that. The other thing was, I put this up for display purposes only. In the pictures, you're going to see it's not there. The holes are there. We'd have to pop off the inner fender, get that put on. But again, the new owner may want to do that himself, tinker on it a little bit. Same with that carb. So something you can discuss with the sales associate when you call in. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I mean, it runs, starts, and everything. A little bit of a rough idle is all. Again, AC blows cold. You get power steering, power brakes. Put the wipers on. You can see the wipers work. There's a dual speed, works on both speeds. We can warm up just a tad bit here. Like I said, it seems to run a little bit better once it's warmed up. Meantime, take a look at that dash. Maybe cracked up by the speaker. Let's slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Like I said, it does have a little bit of a rough idle, but not bad. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here, pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so so you can get a good look at that engine bay. It looks pretty much what you expect for a 73 Nova, pretty stock. Let's take a look at it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Hood pops, you can see the engine here. Here's where that chrome piece that was in the box would cover up right above here, kind of a dress-up piece to go along with the chrome valve cover, chrome air cleaner cover. Again, this is an error-correct 307 according to the casting number. See, it runs, like I said, just a little bit of a rough idle. Again, AC does blow cold. Original color car. Interior still the same color this would have came in 73. 307 underneath the hood, paired to the turbo 350 automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. Click on the link down below this video. Take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.